Hey guys, good day, pioneers. Another major news is TransFi, another on-ramp provider, or has been added integrated to the our Pi wallet. So another thing is this is listed on the KYB or list of KYB verified businesses of Pi network. So if you haven't tried or you would like to try to buy Pi token using TransFi, you can watch my video. I have a video on how you can easily purchase Pi tokens using TransFi. This is a massive news for us and for the ecosystem. Thank you.